What's up guys? Today we're here at the other hill with the TRAXXAS TRX4 Sport to do some hill climb, fun challenge on the rocks. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Amelia's taking a nap and Popeye is battening down the hatches. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. I feel like I'm yelling because I am, because it's windy here at the other hill. Abby? All the rocks behind us. We visited this spot once or maybe twice.
It was on my birthday.
And you guys really liked the spot quite a bit.
We did my Vetera here on my birthday.
That was a lot of fun, and it was cold, wasn't it? If I remember right?
Yes.
Well, now scorching hot today, and you guys wanted to see more of our crawlers hit this spot to see how, I can't even hardly stand here. I'm falling on these singles. It's a very, very steep spot with the big rocks. We want to do something like this in our backyard.
Prettier.
We'll see. Prettier than this. But this is going to be fun. We're just going to crawl with this truck on these rocks, and you guys remember how the Vetera did very well. So this is a lot heavier of a truck. Let's do it. Let's go. They've weed-eated this recently, so there's a lot of grass on here, but that spot down there, there's none. Well, I haven't driven this truck on any rocks like this, so this should be fun. It's got pretty good clearance. Down the hill, I didn't think it'd have much of a problem. Most things, I think even a drone with its power off could probably go down the hill just fine, so. They have a nice 5,000 milliamp 2-cell LiPo battery in here. You guys can see I still have mud all over the tires from the last muddy tug of war. Look at that, I am just pushing that boulder. This thing has a lot of power, that's for sure.
Still no sticker.
Still no sticker. Yeah, who's mad by that? You guys angry? Well, I mean, I basically have made it down the hill. I guess I'll go to that grassy spot and then we'll see how it does up the hill. But down the hill, that was pretty awesome. I gotta give it 2 thumbs up for that. Maybe if this climbs up the hill on its first try without rolling, it might earn a small sticker. Oh, it rolled on the transition. No, I'm just kidding. I gotta go reset it though. Just a word to the wise when you're walking on rocks like this on hot summer days, or really just any time. First of all, don't do it in sandals like I just did. And also, look out for snakes, tread lightly and walk slowly. Just look for snakes. There tend to be a lot of snakes on days like today on rocks like this. I think we're gonna have a little bit more of a struggle getting up the hill.
See, the TRAXXAS tires aren't squishy, really.
They're not. They're pretty firm tires. That's right.
Whereas the Vetera and the Deadbolt have really, really squishy tires, and I think that's why they're really good at doing rock crawling. And I think that's why the Deadbolt was able to do the route, and this one was not. Right.
Oh man, this is that's okay. I'm just not hitting a good spot. Let me go reset it again. You're right. So this truck being a little heavier did really good in the tug of war. Not the best, but it still did really, really good. And the lighter weight, softer tires does better at crawling. So these are all things we're learning because we're hitting crawlers heavier this year than we have ever any other year. And so I'm learning a lot about, you know, the motors, the clearance, the type of axles, our links, steering servo power and weight, all that stuff.
Ooh, we have some upgrades coming for our Red Cat Racing Gen 8.
So it's very rare that we do modifications and upgrades, but look, this spot right here, the TRAXXAS, it should look really good. You gotta get a nice tight shot on that. It should look good on these little smaller rocks just dominating the hill. Now I want you guys to be very aware, you know, I like this truck. I spent my own hard-earned money on this truck. Nothing against it at all. I'm having a blast with it. An absolute blast. Yeah, we rarely do upgrade stuff, but you guys have been asking like crazy for it. So we decided to upgrade my personal favorite, which is the Red Cat Racing Gen 8 Scout 2.
Do you like it more than the Gen 7 though?
Well, I still love the Gen 7, but I think after the upgrades get on the body and stuff of it, like when I do lights and everything, I probably will like it a lot more. But look at this. I mean, I am having a blast with this. I really am. Definitely. I don't know, I'm cheating and running the grass there. Oh, it does great going downhill in the grass, you guys. I just don't want to go flip it back over. This is a cool spot. Let's see if I can turn around right here. See how it does in reverse. We get it turned around. I mean, the cool thing about this truck is if it does get in a little bind, I'm not really worried about, like, it's definitely got the power to get out of the bind, right?
Except that kind of bind.
That's a rough bind. That's a turtle on its back right there. Okay, it is crazy hot out, and I'm having to keep flip this truck over, so I don't know.
Keep flip this truck over?
I'm having to continually, yes.
Keep flip truck over.
Keep flip truck over. Continually flipping the truck over. Oh my gosh. Well, you guys wanted to see this on different surfaces, driving, and this little rocky area is pretty conveniently located to home of us house. So I thought we should stop by and do a quick little video. What do you guys think of all the airplane videos we've been doing?
What do we do, 2?
Well, that's a lot. That's a lot of airplane videos.
For us.
It's a lot of work to get the planes out in the air. No, we're good. It's definitely a very fun truck to drive. I'm not taking that away from it at all. Well, there you have it. It can do pretty big rocks like this. Like it, the little KFC cup there.
KFC bowl sounds good.
Oh, it does sound good. Okay, well, it must be lunchtime, or maybe dinner time by the time we get there. Guys, there you have it, the TRAXXAS TRX4. It's not a bad crawler. Just have a few others that I think I like a little bit more, but hey, still have it, still love it, still driving it. Gonna continue to do so. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.